Hello, morning. I'm at Safra. Very nice, right? Scenery here. This is what I will do. Right. Hmm. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So now at Sakura do wrong. Uh, because here the swimming pool is already open, so I decided to use one of the table here. Right. So it's so nice, right? See, hear the water voice, sound of the water. Okay, let's wait for the market to open. Okay, let's wish for a good start to trading. Maybe like we might want to see how the so nice. This will be the level that we buy. This the level we sell. Very slow. Generally, Nikkei is on the downtrend, generally speaking. Okay, I can't tell from on a daily basis. There might be a retracement. So have to be patient. It looks like down. Hmm. Okay. We can try to short. Okay. Stop loss will be here because this is the highest candle. Yeah. Right now. This way. Okay. For me, I'm more likely to short. Yeah. Okay. Looking into short trade. Went on. Hopefully, retrace a bit more before. We go Tradeovate and bring it. So basically, I'm shopping, but I will not be shopping at this store. Yeah, for sell because okay, while waiting, I think we will just again cover another material. Yeah, okay, it's being right. Okay, so today we are going to cover scale, right? So I can actually see the reading of the index, so I need not worry, right? Okay, now what is the scale of consciousness? It says that everything in our universe is actually vibrating at different rates of vibration, correct or not? Okay, why is it that you can see solid? It's because they are vibrating at a slower rate. Now, why is it that you can't see certain thing? It's because they are vibrating at a higher rate. So, with that premise, everything in the universe, Earth and so on, they are all vibrating with energy, and this energy is what we call consciousness, right? Okay. Yes, as what I have mentioned, why is everything different? Is because of the rate of vibration. So generally, a solid material thing will vibrate with a slower frequency, right? They are denser, heavier, but energies that you cannot see, they are usually vibrating at a higher energy, higher rate of frequency, and therefore they are lighter. Right? So, what is the differences between low vibrational energy and high vibrational energy? So, the first thing that comes is density. Okay, so when you have low vibrational energy, generally you will feel more dense, and your self awareness is also very low, right? And but what is more important is that when you are experiencing that state, you also experience low intelligence as well as low directive power. Means you have very little power to direct and change your reality. All right. Okay. How about when you are at high vibrational energy? Well, when you are at high vibrational energy, you were not. Yeah, I'm sorry, there's a mistake. Okay, the high self awareness. Okay, low density, right? High self awareness, right? But when you are high vibrational energy, what is happening is that you also experience greater intelligence, right? More intuitive power and more insights and more creative ideas will come to you, and this is actually the most important. You also experience higher directive power. At a high vibrational state, you can actually change your circumstances and reality a little bit better, right? As compared to one that has low vibrational energy. So, being in a high vibrational energy is very important. So, what do we mean, right? About and how do we go into high vibrational energy? Okay, is in relation to your degree of positivity. All right, whether you have the power, right, to influence those things that are less negative or less positive, negative, in relation to the degree of positivity. Okay, right. Let's go back to our. It's going up. Okay. There's a long order. Okay, let's, as long as it doesn't go above, it's fine. Mm, okay, if we go above, then we will have to do a cut loss and go up. I will see how it goes first. Hopefully, it will be just a temporarily long. So last week, I have an experience that uh, the thing is actually going down, but I keep on thinking that you should go up. Okay, so that's not the way for to trade for this kind of indices. Right? If you see that short term is actually going up, yeah, then we have to follow the trend. Remember, we must always follow the trend. All right. Okay. but the indicator is still showing that it is below the zero line. All right, let's continue with our material until okay, my stop loss is 270. Okay. Okay, let's continue. There's nothing much we can do till you see the price over here. Yeah. So what does it mean to be positive, right? Positive means to increase your rate of vibration or your degree of consciousness by way of self-awareness. Okay, so you must be more aware of your thoughts, right, as far as possible in your everyday living, right? Examine sometimes certain things, certain feelings, or certain thoughts may come up. So you must be aware and ask yourself, uh, where does it come from, and so on. So as long as you can tap into the self-awareness, right, that you have, all of us have, you will find that life will flow more easily. Okay, the problem with most of us is that we identify with our emotion. So, for example, when just now the price goes against us, right? So what happened? So many of us will have random thoughts in our head, right? Hey, am I wrong or not? Is the market something wrong or something like that? Actually, there's nothing wrong with the market. The market is just what it is. So we must be very neutral about it. So what we should do is that we should plan. If price goes certain level, we cut loss and go long. If price goes certain level, we must have a plan. Okay, and we must not be so easily affected by it. Yeah, otherwise you can't really be a good trader. Okay, so increase your self-awareness. Very important. All right. So this is a section that I actually copied from Manifest Dive Deeper. I happen to have this book, so I will be sharing some of the exercises in this book with all of you also. Right. So many of the time, right, we actually experience fear and doubt. So how do we remove that? So as I said, you must be more self-aware of yourself, right, in your everyday living. So whenever some fear or some doubt come out, all right, this is an exercise that you must always, you can do, right, to address it. So one of the way is write it down. Okay, why is it that you feel that way, right? Write it is as much detail as possible. Okay, and there must be something in your past life or in your childhood or in your earlier adult days that trigger such an feeling, because everybody can experience the same thing, but you may feel it differently, and you must ask yourself, why is it that you feel it differently? All right, and step three, write down another way where you can, okay, interpret respond to the trigger much better, right? So yeah, much better. So for example, right, I may experience fear of maybe I experience fear. Okay, for us traders, sometimes we do experience fear, right? Okay, maybe okay, experience fear that okay, you lose money. Then where does it really come from? Most of the time it's from your past experience, right? That you have lost money. Okay, then what can be a different way of empowering it? You must say that okay, all these experiences help me to become a better trader, right? Because I learned how to manage my risk better. I know how to tolerate price movement better, and I know how to trade better. and each losing trades can actually build on to more future positive experiences. So it's very important for you to be able to reconcile that. All right. Okay. So that is very, very important. Okay, let's go back to. Okay, generally I think it's going down. Okay, right. Generally I think it's going down. Okay, but we must always have a stop loss. Must always have a plan. Right, what to do. You cannot trade based on hope. Okay, must be patient. Sometimes price will go against you, but it can be temporarily only. Okay, so like I short, right? So it went up. It may be just a very temporary rebounds, right? But overall trend may be down. Okay, so you must be very confident what you're doing, right? And every time you place a trade, you must be confident of yourself. Of course, there must be a reason why you do that trade because of several indicators and so on for me, right? And if the trade goes against you, right, there's nothing wrong with you. It's just what the market is. Then what will you do? Okay, what is your plan? All right. Okay. So with that, I think that's all for today. Last Friday I couldn't share is because I wanted to do a live stream, but I went to a place that's McDonald's, but it's very, very noisy. So I thought it's not very conducive. That's why I decided not to do it. Okay, right. So wish you having a great week ahead. Right. Thank you.